In this video tutorial, you'll learn how you can add comments to a student's work that has submitted something to you in Google Classroom as a Google Doc. So I assigned this lesson, this geometry lesson, to my class of students. The student completed it. Now I'm looking at my teacher page where I get to see what the responses were. So I'm looking at these responses, and right now I'm basically going to mark these up and then give it back to the students. So a couple things you could do. Number one, if you look at where this student wrote George Washington, let's just pretend I did not want them to write their last name. I could press my delete key, and right away it would say, hey, delete that. Like if you wanted them not to remove something from their work. So if you were doing language arts and having them write something, you might have them remove certain things. So that's a real easy way to just tell them, hey, delete that. That's not necessary. Right here says, what is an acute triangle? A triangle that has three angles, it says, that are less than 90 degrees. Now, obviously, that's a spelling error. If I highlight this word and add a comment, I could just write spelling. Okay, or I could write, you meant angles. Now let's say they did a really good job with this. They drew an obtuse triangle. Okay, I click on that and I add a comment, and maybe I just write like, great job, nice drawing. Okay, and I'm just going through if I'm adding these comments for my student. So down here they wrote a really nice answer. So over here there is this comment bank too. Let's say I want to write like a generic response for a lot of my same students. If I'm grading a lot of these, I might have a bank of some canned responses or just responses that I'm going to write over and over and over. So over here where it has this comment bank, I can open this up and you'll see I typed some in here already, like exactly right, great job. So if I just wanted to add something here, just write excellent job. Okay, I can press add. Okay, it just adds. That's a generic comment. So exactly right, great job, whatever. So if I wanted to write a comment here about this whole response, I could just click this whole thing. I could press add comment, but if I wanted to go over here and get one of these comments, like exactly right, great job, I could go over here, copy that to my clipboard, come over here and just paste it in. So I'm on a Mac, I'm just gonna hit Command V, which would be edit paste. And I just write comment. So that's how you can use some comments that are from the comment bank as well. So that's how to comment. And then obviously when you're all done here, you're going to return